Hello traders, today is the 9th of September, last trading day of the week, blessing Friday. We had amazing volatility from yesterday after the Fed speech and Asian session, amazing trade, London morning session, amazing trade, and at the beginning of the New York session we had a beautiful trade. So let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of reviews, most welcome, join my fast growing today community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we enjoyed pipping today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. And if you look at the EURUSD chart and if you look at the 4 hour, been long from beginning of this week. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, you can watch the video, link is given in the video description. So we were long here, as you can see here, we have sort of like a falling wedge, and even yesterday, as you have seen my analysis, price broken, and after the breakout, price came back and retest. We've been long from Asian session from even yesterday. I said to my trader, the next target would be, final target would be this one. So we had a beautiful long trade here. Even the London morning, we have keep enjoying it, pipping all these pips. And after that, we have taken a counter short trade here once the price respected this major resistance level and failed to maintain to stay above this level. So we also had a short trade here. Let me explain to you all the entries and exit in intraday. As you can see here, we had an amazing trade on all the pairs. Beautiful trade, guys. Okay, so you can see here, this was the analysis from yesterday. If you haven't seen it, you can watch video, link given in the video description. So we were long here. From here in 4 hour, we had this breakout and beautiful. Once the price rejected, we have this breakout, and I said to keep holding it. And afterwards, you can see here price nicely. Our final target was this level, which is around the major resistance level, and that's where bank some profit. After banking some profit just before the London open, and as explained my trader, look here again, the first priority would be the long pullback because the momentum was very bullish. As explained in the analysis, the first priority would be the pullback long, and afterwards just keep taking a pullback. So once the price hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit, and afterwards, as explained my trader, let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, as pretty straightforward, price refused to break this level. That's basically developed sort of like, even you can see here price develop, a rising wedge. But if you look at here, repeatedly respected. As explained to my trader, look for if the price gonna break any recent low, take a aggressive trade or safer trade after the breakout pullback. Beautiful short trade, guys, amazing profit. Even though once the price was at this level, we also updated that analysis. As you can see here, price nicely broken at this support level, and even after the breakout, price nicely retest, and that's what exactly the entry point. We had this beautiful counter short trade here, bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit to the major support level, and that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. As always, after banking some profit, look for another pullback. So we have another beautiful small pullback short trade here, and afterwards we done all the day. As you can see here, the market developing a sideways market. We had amazing trade on EURUSD. Let's move into the cable pound dollar. We had amazing trade, guys. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, we've been long here. As you can see here, price develop head and shoulder pattern, and that's what I explained my trader. We have this beautiful breakout from yesterday. Even last night we had this beautiful breakout at the Asian session. We had a bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit to the major, you can see here, resistance level. That's we banked some profit, and after banking some profit this morning, we also had a counter short trade here. Let me explain to you guys both long and short entries on pound dollar. And if you look at the intraday analysis, we've been long from last night, from even yesterday. Okay, so this is the Asian session, pretty straightforward. You can see here, beautiful breakout. After the breakout this morning, I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we can get another pullback or any other price action. As you can see here, as mentioned here in the analysis, the first priority would be towards the pullback. Any pullback would consider high probability because the momentum was very bullish. As you can see here, beautiful pullback. We announced all these pullback through live audio commentary as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, and that's what explained my traders time to bank some profit. And let's see if the price is going to develop counter trade price action. As you can see here again, price nicely broken, and that's what explained my trader it's time to, because if you look at here, the price nicely broken here this level, and explain my trader if the price gonna break then long, otherwise possibility of counter short trade here. Even I updated that analysis once the momentum developed bearish, as explained to you guys. You can see here, because we keep monitoring the price, you know, and then updating analysis as soon as the price develop another pattern. You can see here another beautiful breakout short trade here. If you look at here in intraday, that's what I explained my trader. Look here, we have, you know, in head and shoulder pattern, that's the sign of reversal. So now we expecting a short, you know, reversal, and that's the beautiful breakout short trade as soon as the price developing a double bottom. As explained my trade, it's time to exit and bank some profit. You can see guys, we had amazing trade on pound dollar CAD. We had a beautiful trade guys. We had a, and this morning, even yesterday, once the price broken the structure, and if you look at here, we have sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout. We've been short from yesterday, bank amazing profit. Even this morning target was nicely hit. And at the New York session, the news was bad for the CAD. We had another counter long trade here. Let me explain to you how we made entries and exit. That was a beautiful trade guys on dollar CAD. Right, so if you look at here, dollar CAD, beautiful trade from yesterday. As you have seen in my analysis, we have this breakout. After the breakout pullback, bank amazing profit. As always, we're expecting another correction and continuation, which exactly happened. As you can see here, price develop another correction, afterwards beautiful breakout. After this breakout, explain my trader, keep taking a pullback. Even in a London morning session, as I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback guys. As you can see here, beautiful pullback. Even now price went further down, and but we managed beautiful pips on dollar CAD. After banking some profit, I say guys, let's wait for the news. After the news, we were expecting, as soon as we explain my trader, if the price is going to develop this pullback and fail to break this orange EMA, then look for long here. So you can see here, as mentioned in the analysis, price nicely respected its orange EMA, and beautiful news wasn't good for the CAD. Beautiful long trade here. After that, and we have another impulsive and correction. Beautiful as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, and that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit and call for the day. All right guys, as you can see here, how we analyze the market in 4 hour and how we analyze market in intraday and banking profit every single day. All right, so the most important and interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time instead of review. That's the interesting part of it. And if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. Once you develop your trading skill, you will also get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will help you and show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. If you are interested, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.